The National Executive Committee meeting, the first since the election of the new national leadership of the party, was convened to, among others, fashion out modalities for the forthcoming party primaries. President Muhammadu Buhari stated that any political party worth its salt must get its internal democracy right. The forthcoming primary elections in the APC, he therefore insists, must be in complete compliance with the constitutions of Nigeria, that of the party, as well as the Electoral Act.
I urge all and sundry to ensure that we play the game according to the rules, come out with free, fair, and credible primaries. Let us shine the light through our primaries, and the rest of the country will find the way. We must take our party to the next level, and I urge all and sundry to give support to our National Working Committee.
The president congratulated the current leadership of the party for the string of victories recorded in the recently concluded by-elections, as well as keeping the APC stronger and together despite defections to other parties.
The exit barely made a dent in our superstructure. APC remains in control and increases by the day.
President Buhari used the forum to reassure Nigerians that the federal government will continue to fight corruption, secure the country, and reposition the economy for job creation to give the youth a sustainable future.
Hope is rekindled in our hearts that we will give our country purposeful leadership that will improve the quality of lives of the people. We will fulfill all the promises we have made to Nigerians, and will continue to serve with heart and might to build a nation where peace, justice, and prosperity shall reign.
The national chairman of the APC, Adams Oshomole, who gave a scorecard of the party's achievements so far, takes pride in the victories recorded in the governorship and National Assembly by-elections conducted so far. He urged President Muhammadu Buhari to continue to provide the leadership and change the nation requires for genuine prosperity.
Mr. President, God has a purpose for sparing your life because you have not finished the mission that He entrusted on you to lead the forces of change, to reposition our country, to deal with all the vices that have detained Nigeria in the past, to reorder our values, and to encourage all of us to rebuild a nation that offers hope to all our citizens.
Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, governors, National Assembly members, and other chieftains of the APC attended the meeting. In Abuja, Adamu Sambo, NTA News.